You won't believe the things that these sharks can do. These amazing fish are some of the most vicious predators in the ocean, and they also come in a huge variety of shapes, sizes, and colors. So here are the top 5 facts about different sharks. Number 5. The great white shark. This is the largest predatory shark alive today. Despite its enormous size, it feeds almost entirely on plankton. In 2003, a whale shark was recorded eating 6,000 tons of plankton per day. But unlike the whale shark, the tiger shark is an aggressive predator. Oh no, never mind, it's nothing. Now you need to watch Most Intelligent Animals on Planet Earth or click this other video instead. The tiger shark is considered to be one of the most dangerous shark species to humans due to its size, strength, and voracious appetite. They will eat almost anything, including dead animals. They even eat each other. They get their name from the stripes that run down their body, which help camouflage them while they're hunting. However, these stripes fade as they get older. Newborn tiger sharks tend to be around 11 inches long and weigh less than a pound. After growing for years, they become sexually mature. And by the time they're 13 years old, they're fully grown. Sadly, tiger sharks are listed as endangered thanks to human activity. Hopefully, we can turn this one around and prevent a real-life Jaws situation. But you won't find many of these off the coast of Japan because it turns out that whale sharks do end like cold water. They're typically found in tropical and subtropical waters around the world. A whale shark's skin contains small rough scales. When these rub against each other, they make a sound similar to grinding stones. Although they have huge mouths, scientists say that whale sharks are gentle giants and are completely harmless to humans. They're not dangerous at all, which is why we can dive with whale sharks in South Africa. If you want to see one for yourself, though, you better hurry. There are only about 2,000 mature whale sharks left in the world, and they're listed as endangered. It is the most widely distributed of the 3 extant species of the genus Carcharodon. It has a long protruding jaw, which is lined with sharp teeth that fold back like a jackknife when it is closed. If you're anywhere near this thing, you might want to count to 3 seconds before you dive in, just in case. But why does it have a retractable jaw? Well, it's thought that the goblin shark uses its elongated jaws to ambush prey. Once it's close enough, it shoots forward and tries to clamp its jaws around its victim. Although it might look scary, this shark isn't all that dangerous to humans. After all, they're normally found at depths of 2,000 to 4,700 feet where people rarely go. But they're certainly worth watching out for if you go deep sea fishing. You've probably seen the classic cartoon version of this type of shark, but how much do you know about its real-life counterpart? Well, there are 9 species of hammerhead sharks, all of which are named after their unusual head shape. Their Latin name is Sphyrna. This is derived from the Greek word sphaira, meaning wedge. But why do they have that distinct head shape? Well, it's thought that the flattened head helps them to detect prey. As they swim through the water, the electroreceptors in their head help them to find prey by sensing the small electrical fields produced by other animals. One of the most bizarre facts about this shark is that all species lay eggs inside of egg cases, which can be washed up on beaches in large numbers after a storm. These egg cases are then collected by fishermen and sold as souvenirs. Can you imagine taking home a souvenir from your vacation that, if left unchecked, could grow into an actual shark? Well, if you don't want to take any chances, then you can always go to No. 3 on our list. Great whites are found in coastal waters of all major oceans except the Arctic. As of 2004, there have been around 300 attacks on humans by great white sharks, of which only about 10% were fatal. And a new study suggests that great whites can survive for weeks without food, but not water. Scientists used to think that it was the apex predator, but it turns out that sometimes great white sharks eat other sea creatures that are actually more venomous than they are, such as blue-ringed octopus. That means that this ruthless hunter has an enemy. Number 4. Hammerhead shark. No. 3. Whale shark. This is the largest living shark and the third largest known vertebrate. Number 2. Goblin shark. This is one shark that looks straight out of a nightmare. Number 1. Tiger shark. This shark is second only to the whale shark in terms of size. Well, now you know what to do if you ever find yourself swimming with sharks. Wait, what did that last one say?